Product management is on the road again, and I have made it over the bridge into south of Sweden, visiting Skåne Mejeri, a dairy company here in the beautiful area of Malmö. I'm sitting with Daniel Jonsson, who is member of the business process group at Skåne Mejeri. Thank you for letting me visit you, Daniel.
Yes, of course.
Being in the dairy business, I'm sure you have a lot of orders and a lot of also manually keyed in orders. So, like approximately how many order lines do you have a day?
Approximately 50,000 order lines.
Wow, so that's high volume, and dealing with this high volume is not a problem in Smart Office, or?
No, not anymore.
Okay.
From the beginning we had some issues, but today it's no problem.
Wow.
Ja,